Imagine waking up in your small town, only to realize all your memories have been swapped with your neighbors. Suddenly, Mrs. Jenkins thinks she's the high school quarterback, and you're convinced you spent the last decade baking pies for the county fair. As the town scrambles to piece together their jumbled lives, they're forced to confront the philosophical concept of permanence versus flux. Is our identity a fixed essence or a fluid narrative shaped by experiences? With everyone's past in disarray, the line between who we are and who we could be blurs, sparking hilarious yet profound revelations. Instead of panic, the town embraces this bizarre twist, hosting memory swap parties where they share stories and try to reclaim, or reinvent, their lives. This unexpected adventure turns into a heartwarming exploration of what truly defines us, our steadfast core or the ever-changing tide of our experiences.